welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. It's great to have you here. On my channel I post content about beauty, about lifestyle, about fashion, DIY, and a bunch of other stuff which you probably might not care about, but I'm still going to show you all. And on today's video I'm going to be showing you all different ways to style your scarf. Yeah, that scarf in your wardrobe, I'm going to be showing you all different ways to style them. So if you're interested, which I know you are, you definitely do want to stick around, and let's get into it. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, as I'll be sharing with you all tips and tricks and hacks that's gonna help in your everyday beauty, lifestyle, fashion, DIY activities. So till next week Friday, don't forget to stay blessed and safe. Please follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. My handles are going to be on the screen, and then my links are going to be on the description box and also in the pinned comments, as always. Don't forget to stay blessed once again and safe.